Working with some tricky grease points? Get the most out of your grease gun with the SCA 7-piece grease gun accessory kit. The 7 accessories in this kit have been carefully selected to cover every situation you can think of, all arranged neatly in a blow mould case. Grab the press-on 90-degree adapter for those tight spaces, or the 360-degree coupler, which twists and locks into place for any angle you need. If the grease nipple is still too tricky, the slide-on coupler is even slimmer and slides straight over the grease point. The straight extension adapter is great for tricky recessed fittings. There's a rubber-tipped nozzle and a needle nozzle, ideal for hard-to-reach hydraulic fittings. If all you need is a bit of extension, there's a 12-inch hose extension too, which can double your grease gun reach. Every adapter snaps on easily with a quick-release coupler, so you can switch them out as fast as you need. Keep an SCA 7-point grease gun accessory kit right next to your grease gun, and you're ready for every greasing job.